Good evening, everyone. It is the 4th of July, 2025. I think we have solved the problem of the voles digging in the front yard. I just paused it because a Harley went by. And yeah, we will see later on. That's what they leave. Anyways, I wanted to show everyone the apricots out here. It is 26 degrees here on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. And look at the apricots on the tree. It is a bumper crop for sure. We haven't had a crop like this since, well, I don't even think we had one like this when we moved in 30 years ago. It's just loaded. Hopefully we'll get a feed off of them, because there's nothing like apricot jam or apricot pie. But we will see. Anyways, like I said, it's 26 degrees out here on the west coast of Okanagan Lake. This 4th of July, Friday. Apricot Friday. As we can see, a bumper crop. The branches are just loaded. Wow. So, let's see what happens. My neighbor's got his dogs out. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Unless something happens tonight. Like an apricot tree falls on top of me while I'm watering. Anyways, peace out.